God has blessed me to encounter the spirit animals. Hashtag high rank.
Saturday, and yet we are already on the third day of February. Well, you already know me, no introduction needed, but for those that don't, I'm Keisha Lee Robinson, aka Cheetah Band's K4L, the Nature Queen. And today I present you if I can find him. Right there. Woodpecker. I'm gonna try to be still, y'all. So excited. I see all kind of animals. Yes, what a beautiful bird. I mean, I'm used to seeing them on TV and stuff like that. You know, we grew up with a woodpecker. Ah. Anyway, yes, it's knocking, 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 knocking. I'm beautiful. It's my real eyes. The nature queen. Let's get back to it, baby. Such a beautiful day out here in Jacksonville.